AI in movies. Movies are fun to watch. The best ones are those which entertain and guide you at the same time. Let us learn about some movies for kids and their takeaways. Robots. The Robots movie is based on a maverick inventor who travels to the big city to meet his inspiration and work for him. Wall-E. The Wall-E movie is about a kind-hearted garbage collector robot called Wall-E, responsible for collecting waste from Earth. I, Robot. The I, Robot movie is based upon the 3 laws of robotics devised by Isaac Asimov in 1942, which direct the interaction between robots and humans. The Iron Giant. The Iron Giant movie is about a giant killer robot from outer space who has landed on Earth. The robot best friends a little boy who tries to save the robot from the government and military. Big Hero 6. Big Hero 6 movie is based on a Medicare robot, Baymax, and a 14-year-old genius hero. They fight with an unknown villain who is a dangerous new type of robot called microbots. AI, Artificial Intelligence. AI, Artificial Intelligence is a movie of a kid robot with real emotions like love, jealousy, etc.